After a long time, I come back with another cooking video. Today we will prepare again Makhong Ngouba, Soibum Eronba, and Kangsoi. Let's go to prepare with me now. First, we will cook the Makhong Ngouba. Here we have the Makhong. We bought it from the supermarket today. We already cut and prepare it. And here I already prepared the material for cooking. So let's start cooking. We just came back from India and bought the mustard oil. First, we will put some mustard oil, bay leaf, then onion, garlic, and then the ginger, matcha powder, silicone chili, turmeric powder, some haribo. Wow. We will put inside the chicken leg. So we will cook like this for some time. Cover and keep like that. While we are waiting for cooking the chicken leg, I will prepare the Soibum Eronba. Here we have the ngari, soibum, and the potato. Here I will use the pressure cooker to cook the Soibum Eronba. I will put all the material inside. I also use the silicone chili, 2 potatoes, and soibum. Also the water. So we will wait for 2 whistles and take it out. Smells so good. So this is the first time I cook the chicken feet. After around 10 minutes, we will put some water inside to cook more. So I already take out all of the material after boiling for the Eronba. Then we will put it here and some salt. We will smash it. Okay, now we will mix with the ngari and the morok pepper. Smash it properly. So let me share your secrets here. So normally I will put the king chili pickle inside and mix together to make it more tasty. And then we will put some new water inside and mix it together. Wow, looks so good now. So it's almost done. Now we will put the meat masala. Put some salt. I already prepared for the kangsoi. So now I will cook it. First, I will boil the onion, garlic, and the ngari. Garlic and the ngari. And then we will put the snap pea, tomato, sliced potato, and some chili. We will cook it for some time. After around 5 minutes, we will put some salt, and then I will turn it off and take it out. Okay, I have finished cooking the chicken leg, kangsoi, and Soibum Eronba. I also prepared some onion salad. So let's eat.
Okay, let's eat.
Thank you. So this is my favorite Manipuri food, Soibum Eronba.
Can use our hand to take this.
Yes.
Makhong Ngouba. Smells so good.
Yes, smells so good.
Okay.
Okay, let's eat.
Let's eat.
Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
The soibum is so good. Cheers. Ta-da! Cheers.
So weird.
Mm.
A lot of collagen here.
But this chicken is soft fast. It's become soft fast. But last time we bought another chicken leg.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Even I cook it for 1 hour by pressure cooker, but it's still so hard.
The one that we buy from Don Quixote.
The whole leg.
So did you eat chicken leg in Manipur?
Baba bought it for me. So
Was it good? Was it good?
But they cook it a little different. They cook it like the chicken curry.
Yeah.
This one a little different, right?
Yeah. So usually in Vietnam, how is the chicken leg eaten?
We will steam it or make something like pickle, or we will cook it like a Thailand style.
Thailand style means what? Like
Something
curry?
like spicy with the salad with mango. It's really famous in Vietnam. The young people really like it. So normally I also cook for you Vietnamese style.
Yeah. That one is sometimes hard, right?
And last time when we went to Da Nang, you also ate, right?
Yeah. That style is Vietnamese style, right?
Yes.
Not the Thailand style. Okay. So how many times did you eat Soibum Eronba in Manipur?
More every day. Soibum Eronba and Sinju.
Every day?
More.
You like it?
I really like it, that's why.
So in Vietnam, I like the Tharoi Thongba.
Oh, in Da Nang?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really delicious, right?
Yeah.
I also like it. So we stayed there 2 days. And then we went to eat 2 times,
Yeah.
2 nights. It's kind of street food in Vietnam, so in Manipur. The thing I am afraid when I eat the most is the fish. The fish over there, a lot of bone.
Yeah. And Ngari also has a lot of bone. In the Sinju, so we never put Ngari for her. We use another type of Sinju. You know how is it made? We use the sesame seed, I guess.
Wow. I think I put a lot of chili.
Yeah, it's a bit spicy. But since we recently came back from Manipur, we can eat a lot of spicy now. I mean, in Vietnam also and in Manipur also, we eat a lot of spicy things.
Yeah. So only here, we eat less spicy.
Yeah, so it's okay now, but maybe after some time, we cannot eat much spices. Yeah.
Our level will go down.
So that's it.
So good.
So you want the chicken leg to be crunchy or do you want it a bit soft? What do you want more? The harder one or the softer one? Which one do you like?
Soft one.
You know what? Chicken leg is famous for. It has a lot of collagen.
Right?
Yeah.
But when we buy the chicken in Manipur, I don't see they put the leg.
Yeah. You can ask them.
So only when we ask them.
Yeah. I mean, if you are buying a whole chicken and you ask them to dress it up, and then cut it up. They will put it. But if you are buying only 1 kg, 2 kg, then yeah, you can ask them. So sometimes, you know, like some people don't want the neck or something like that. And when you say, please don't put the neck, you know, so the shopkeeper will be like, then who will buy the neck, you know? So they have to, you know, like put some.
They can increase the price if they don't want. If they want only the good part, they have to pay more.
I don't know. I have never bought it. It's always my father or Poide who go and buy it, right?
So good.
In Japan also they eat the chicken feet, right? Okay. I've never seen people eating chicken feet, that's why.
I also didn't see it.
Yeah. Maybe they don't. Then the chicken feet should be very cheap, right?
It's cheap. So all of this is around 250 yen. How much in rupee? Around 180 rupee.
So India is expensive, but in Japan it's cheap, this one.
So in Japan, they just sell for foreigner. Vietnamese really like to eat chicken feet. Yeah.
Thai also eat it, right? Many part of Asia eat it, I think, chicken feet. The Chinese also love the chicken feet, I guess.
Chicken feet and duck feet.
Duck feet? I have never seen duck feet. I mean, when we make the curry of the duck, we eat the duck feet, but there's a kind of a cooking only duck feet. I have not eaten.
I don't know, but I see some mukbang.
Oh, okay.
And I saw them eat that one. Like snack.
It's not mukbang, it's mukbang.
Mukbang.
So do you miss Vietnamese food? Which food do you miss the most? I miss mee guang.
Yeah. A lot of vegetable, eh?
Yeah. That's too for free. I mean, we pay for the noodle, but then you can get as much as...
Oh, it's depend on the place.
Right.
If you go to Ho Chi Minh City, you cannot get the free vegetable. So if you want more vegetable, you have to pay more. You want chili?
I cannot, I don't want.
I cook it. It's a little burn. It's a little burn, but this is really good.
So here. What happened to your Eronba?
My new favorite food is chicken leg.
She betrayed the Soibum Eronba.
It's not betray. New lover.
Sitting?
Cheating. Look, I still eat the Eronba. So pretty. But hearing the word betray, I remember Sam, my niece. So at first time when that Joe come to our home, oh my god, Sam really like him.
Yeah.
But it seemed like she like guys. Like, and then when my brother and my brother-in-law, her father, come back, she doesn't like him anymore. So he say that Sam betrayed.
But then when we talk, she will run to me in the phone though.
Yeah, yes.
She will only talk to...
Yes. So when we talk with our family, and whenever whenever she hear the name Lao, she will run to see. Ah, Lao uncle, Lao uncle.
Yeah.
Don't know. At least I cannot be betrayed because she never loved me. So spicy. Spicy is good, yo.
From which one is spicy? I don't know. Is it the Eronba that is so spicy? Because I don't eat much Eronba. I don't feel that much spicy. What did you put in Eronba?
I thought it's chicken.
Chicken leg.
I thought it's chicken feet. But now I just remember. I put the king chili here. The big one.
Oh, okay. The umaro pickle.
Yes. Umaro pickle. That's why. So I feel like I didn't put much chili here. So I put the dry chili only.
Okay.
But now I feel it's so spicy. That's why. So you didn't eat much Eronba?
I don't eat much Eronba. Just only 2 spoons.
But the Eronba is so good.
Again?
Oishii.
Okay. Actually, people eat the chicken feet when they are drinking. In Vietnam also, it's really good with the alcohol.
In Vietnam also, when I meet my friend, but before I couldn't drink, so I will drink Coca-Cola.
So which one is better, KFC or our own chicken?
Always our food.
Manipuri, no. Indian KFC, Japanese KFC. Which one do you like?
So for the KFC, the Japanese KFC is a little soft. For me, I like the crunchy one. So for me, in Manipuri is better. But in Manipuri, the same with Vietnam.
Yeah.
Also crunchy.
Okay. Like the Popeye.
Oh, we ate the Popeye. Talk about the Popeye. I remember when we just came to Vietnam.
Don't talk about it.
we took the wrong luggage, so it looked the same. So when he took it, I also think, it's mine. So after some time, we went to the hotel and want to take shower. And we found out that, oh my god, who is this luggage?
No, actually, I wanted to take our son's clothes. And then, in our luggage, we did not put the lock. I mean, the key lock.
Yes.
And then we saw some like a lock, and then I asked to you, where is this lock from? Like who like did you put it? And she said that maybe the airport people might have put it. And I'm like, they don't do that, you know. And then we check it, and then we realized that it was not our bag, so it was something. So, yeah.
We have to run to the airport again, and wait around 1 hour. For that people also didn't realize that they took the wrong. So we are the first people go to report.
So we don't know if they took it first or we took it first.
So we don't know
if we took it first or if they took it first.
We don't know. So when we was waiting, we went to the Popeye. So kind of like KFC in Vietnam. And ate over there and wait for 1 hour.
Yeah.
The lucky thing is that he lives in the north of Vietnam. But after come back, he don't book another flight.
Yeah.
So he wanted to go to the bar to enjoy in Ho Chi Minh City for 1 day.
If it is then, we are done. So good. Spicy and good.
Yes.
Yeah.
The best. So we finished eating today. Thank you so much for watching us recently.
Sure.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.